Okay, let's start with numerical number 8. An ideal gas is taken through an isothermal process. Now, isothermal process means the temperature remains constant throughout the process. If the temperature remains constant throughout the process, means there is no change in temperature. That is, the change in temperature is equal to 0. If there is no change in temperature, means initial temperature and final temperature, both of them are equal. So, change in temperature means final temperature minus initial temperature. If both of them are equal, so the change in temperature will be 0. So, I have written that. After that, if it does 2000 joule of work on its environment, if the gas is doing work on the environment, in that case work done is positive. So, work done is positive 2000 joules. How much heat is added to the gas in this process? That is Q is to be obtained. Now, U also remains constant throughout the process, that is the internal energy. Why internal energy is constant? As it is isothermal process, temperature remains constant. No change in temperature means no change in internal energy. Internal energy also remains constant. Because the temperature is constant, internal energy is also constant, and there is no change in internal energy. That is, internal energy, change in internal energy is equal to 0. Delta represents change. So, change in internal energy is also 0 because internal energy is constant. So, we will use first law of thermodynamics. That is, delta U is equal to Q minus W. Delta U is 0, Q as it is, minus, and W is 2000. When you take minus 2000 on left hand side, it gives you positive 2000. So, this is the heat which is added to the system or to the gas when it is doing work on the environment. That is 2000 joule of work on the environment. This much amount of heat is added to the system. Okay. Now, if you see in your textbook, the answer given is 0. For answer to be 0, the process had to be adiabatic, not isothermal. If the process is adiabatic process, in that case, heat is equal to 0. But for isothermal process, heat is exchanged. So, heat cannot be 0. But for adiabatic process, heat added can be 0. So, this is the right answer, that is heat added to the system is 2000 joules. But if it would have been adiabatic process, then in that case heat added to the system would have been 0.